Being ghosted by a friend is one of the hardest things in our life. We are so confused what it happened and trying to understand why we have not seen it earlier. I'm sharing my story because I got inspired with the really deep, hurtful feeling and painted these 2 paintings about it, because talking about feelings help us to more grasp them. I'm also sharing 3 fantastic takeaways which will help, hopefully. What is your story? What is your incredible story? Let me know. This friendship started very well. Same like my painting, I am putting very good base and building a beautiful picture. I felt in my friendship, I am building the friendship picture. Everything is beautiful, shiny. We did have a nice time. Everything was nice. One evening, after few glasses of wine, I felt everything is going well. We did have a laugh. We did make few jokes. Nice. But the next day, my friend did not reply any of my messages. She blanked me the next day on the road, pretending that she cannot see me. And I felt really weird. The first moments, I felt, wow, I must say something wrong. I did have a few glasses of wine, but it must be me. I did say something. What was it? I was thinking, going backwards and forwards, what was it I did say? Maybe I made some incredibly bad joke. Maybe she doesn't like on me that I am so loud. Or maybe this, or maybe that, or maybe I insulted her. And I just could not figure it out. Can you see the texture? The texture shows the deepness of my pain, the depth and the dimensions. How hard it was for me to be just dropped off and rejected like that. I felt so bad about myself and actually felt lost. It wasn't the relationship on its own what did cause me the pain, but the doubt. Perhaps my ego hurt me as well, but the doubt that there must be something bad about me, that a friend doesn't want to be friend with me. But you must stop blaming yourself, because it is actually the other person problem. It is the other person who's got the issue, not us. It is the other person who is dishonest and rude. It is the other person who doesn't have the courage to be a friend. And it is us who is just hurt. But remember, you're doing so well because you gave to the relationship everything what you could give. But another person doesn't deserve that. And they don't even have the honesty to tell you that. They got some issue. It is their issue which they export on you. It is not yours. And remember, time is the best healer. It feels so hard right now. It feels the hardest thing because we are lost. We're doubting everything. I remember how I felt maybe, yes, it must be. It must be how I said the advice about the children and she took it personally. I shouldn't say that. No. Time is the best healer. We need to believe that what we're doing, it was right. We are who we are. And we did give maximum to the relationship. We gave ourselves to them and they just rejected us. But they don't even have the courtesy to say that. And that's what we need to think about. It was us who done so well. It was them who just failed. Because they stopped having the beautiful friendship from us. We came with the heart on the plate and they just put it to the bin. And we just wake up the next day in the bin and trying to think, hello, what am I doing here? So my third point would be focus on what you can control. After stop blaming yourself and giving yourself time and compassion to heal. Try to understand that it is not you is wrong, because you are who you are, and friends are here to accept you, your own beauty the way it is. Remember, it is them. Start to think what is in your control. You can't control them. I was thinking many times to go back and ask her, hello, what happened? But you know what? She stopped talking to me. She just literally didn't say anything. And I felt suddenly I can't even talk. That was the hard thing. For me to go to her and say, hi, why did you stop liking me? What did I do? Do you think it would go anywhere? I realized that when she stopped replying my messages, that there isn't the way just to knock on the door and just say, what's up? Because they don't have the strength to say that. That's the reason why they dropped us from one day to another day. So what you can control, I can control painting this beautiful picture. I am in control of being lovely human. I am in control of being who I am, and don't be ashamed of it. Don't drop other people in the bin. I love the metaphor, and I love how I painted this painting. I added silver and shininess. I wanted dimension, and I wanted to show how actually beautiful we are. That's what we can control, our own beauty. Let it shine, because I think the friends who ghost you like this, they actually are just jealous of our own beauty. So let them go, let them be just jealous and be yourself. Look at the picture, how it's shining with the silver sprinkles and the glaze. And we just let go and enjoy it, put it on the wall and just be ourselves and beautiful. I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. And see you in the next one. Take care, have a lovely day. And remember how beautiful you are. Bye-bye.